Alright, live at the command center, JW Solo USA. Folks, this is so far we've gone and replaced the cover. You will see the transformer on that thing was there on that box, the Magna sign, and all I've done all the wiring because I decided to take that completely that cover out so I can have a better access of the wires, and where I already set it, I mounted the system before it's gonna be, before I put the system all together. So because of that, it was really hard for me working on the corners, so I decided to take the cover out so I can do all the wiring inside, and that's how everything is already done. The cover is back in, and what I'm gonna do, concentrate here to the inside part of these, and I have to get the line 1, line 2 in, the L1, L2, the inputs, the L and the neutral. Then I'm gonna get L1, L2, L1, L2 neutral, even out, everything out, going to a breaker. I might probably change this, a breaker panel for 240. So what left here, I'm gonna be bringing the positive cable from the battery from here and tie it up here, and the negative of these is gonna come right here into the shunt. So this is the load side, so it started measuring everything, so it goes right there, and voila, we're gonna be on business. So look at these bus bars, the way they handle business. It's really cool the way everything is set up. There's a bus bar here, positive bus bar, so no more wires in here, clean setup. So all this one's already wired for L1, L2. If you look out over there, you can see L2 out and L1 out, which is the other one, and the neutral in the center right there. The L2 input, L1 input, and neutral right on the corner right there. And earth ground is down there. That comes all the way down here, tied up to the ground. Okay, this is the negative bus bar, coming with solar attached to here, the negatives and the positives here, and that comes to here is the 63 amps that was there. I might beef it up because my PT100, which is this guy here, PT100, is gonna be taking care of business. And up here, it's gonna be up here. There is something's gonna be here for the display panel, which I'm gonna show you here. This is the one that's gonna be for the display panel. This is where it's gonna be, and these are all labeled, the breakers, the bypass and all the cool stuff, and switches for the inverter input. These are the ones, this open gap right here I was telling you about for the breakers for the inverter, for the charge controller, and that's for the inverter right here. So I'm gonna be popping this guy after I get done and install this guy right here. This guy right here will be sitting right there. So but I'm gonna take this box out because it's in a mounting flushing mount box, so just this device top that's gonna be sitting right here to do the controls. All right, stay tuned for that, and as soon as we continue with the series, and I'm gonna be using the BMK battery monitor kit. This is the connection, and that's the BMK battery monitor kit. It's gonna be working with this guy right here, the remote, to give you the state of charge, generator start, and activate the system to do low battery state of charge, low battery, then it's going to trigger the grid to automatically charge the batteries, or through state of charge, which is a state of charge with a percentage, whatever percentage you put it on, that's going to do it. And it's going to be having a bypass breakers right there. The bypass breakers is there, so one going to be on and the other one's going to be down for grid. And See that? They go like able to flap both of them down as well. So I hope you like the video. It's a huge monster breaker right there. Main disconnect 250. Yep. So that's what it is. And this guy right here, I'm gonna find a place. Maybe it's gonna be on the side right there. I have to move this stuff a little bit, or maybe I have to do a little bit extension here or board. That's where this guy is gonna sit. But I'm gonna check it again online and see. Maybe I can able to there's a brackets maybe Magnum has, or maybe I can able to set this thing. But looking here, it doesn't have anywhere side where you can able to attach it. So I just have to do a board probably a little bit out here, so it can be perpendicular to here, this hole. Then it's gonna travel all the way, or I'm gonna utilize these holes down here to put the charge controller. Okay, so this is what it is. I just give you a whole roundup of everything, how the system's gonna be. Stay tuned for more to come, live from the command center of the JW Solar USA, right here in Minnesota, USA. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys' comments. I appreciate you guys' views. And I appreciate you guys' subscription. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Some people get confused with that. They think because when you say subscribe, it's like any other business or the other thing that is going to cost them money. They have to pay money. No, it's free. Just subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you push the like button. So that you can able to get notification anytime I post videos. Alright, you're gonna be the first one of you guys have the notification. You're gonna have it, or you can find it on your email. Live here at JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Love you guys all. Stay tuned and subscribe.